Okay, Robert, here's your problem with the screen porch panel you created. I'm going to just start from the beginning and use a solid here. And let's just say 48 by 96 and open it up, make it about an eighth inch thick. And I'm going to set it 2 inches from the floor. And then let's just use another solid here and make a mid rail -2. Open it, make it 4 inches, 4 inches from the floor, and let's lower it a little. And that's just so you can see that I'm making something different. We will make another copy of this and maybe just so it's got a double rail. If you look at this in vector view, it's all concrete. So let's spray paint it here. I might have screen. No, I don't have screen in here. So let's just look in the library for screen. Come on, computer. Come on. Yeah, I know. I got one in here somewhere. Glass block right there. That's the one I use generally. And then we'll just paint this bone because it's quick and easy. Okay, so there's your panel, and you want to make a symbol. So you go Tools, Millwork, Add to Library, Show Advanced, and this is what I think you did. You gave it a name. We'll call it Screen Test Panel 2. I've already done one and tested, so you rotated it, which looks great. So you think you're done, you hit OK. But when you take that panel and you assign it to your railing, so let's just define this rail here real quick. Go to Rail Style, use Panels, Post to Beam, and then select it over here in your panel library. It's saved in your Screen Panel Test 2. Change this to like 97 and an eighth, and then change these rails. Beam rail would be 12, 4 inches wide. The bottom rail will be, come on, 2 by 4. And then your newels and balusters, make sure they're 4. There's your panel. Looks perfect. All right. Hit OK. And draw your walls, and you see that they're laying down. And this is what you're experiencing right here. So what you need to do is right click on your and go to Open Symbol. And then go to 2D block and say Generate Block. And you'll see it looks like this now over here. And click OK. Now when you draw it, it's still screwed up. That's a beautiful thing. All right, hold on one second here. Open symbol, generate block. Okay. Let's select this again. Maybe it's something to do with that. Okay. Yeah, it's fixed. And if you look at this in vector view, both of them look good in 3D, but one of them actually works in 2D. So that is the problem. You need to open this symbol right here. Right click on it, open symbol. It'll be right here when you open it. Go to 2D block, hit generate block, and you might want to hit auto generate too. I think that could be part of the problem. And then when you pick your railing, it'll work. What's happening is your 2D symbol is laying flat on the ground, and it's not anything to do with the symbol itself, but you don't correct it by opening up the railing. There's no place to correct the symbol. You actually have to go to the symbol and correct it right there, open symbol. And that should do it. Hope that helps.